Hey, what's up guys? It's Zero back with another cringy video. So today we're going to be showing you how to schedule videos. It's quite useful in case you ever need to leave or you don't have time to upload it or anything like that. So the first step you do, you press the upload button, which you normally do to upload it. If you upload from a phone or a device like that, you should import it to your computer if you have one. So what you do now, you select a file to upload. After your video is uploading, it will say uploading here. So what you need to do now, you have to go to this button that says public. You have to click it right now and you press scheduled. You can choose whatever time you'd like. So I'll choose, currently it's January 16th, so I'll choose January 26th. And you can choose the time right here where you'd like. If your time is not set to where you live for any reason, you can change that here. So currently I made this time, and you put your description, and then you upload it. Okay guys, that will be the video for today. Tell me if I should do more tutorials or what you want. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see ya.